Children, today we are going to study about the chapter 15, light. So we all know about the light. Light is very essential for us. We get light from the sun. So we need light to see the things, and we need light for the production of food also, because the trees use the light also for the production of food. So light is must for us. So today we are going to study about the properties of light, how it behaves. So the first one is light travels along a straight line. So you can tell, we can give the examples of the torch. If you on the torch, the light will be in a straight. Or if you see in a room, the beam of a light coming out from a pole, okay, it will be straight always. So you can give an example of a searchlight or searchlight which is there in the beaches and all. You can see there in the beach of the ocean, you can see the searchlights will be there. So lighthouse will be there. There you can see the light is moving along a straight line. So the property of light is what? It travels along a straight line. And one more thing, we can give it with the activity. You can say that light travels along a straight line. What activity you can do? Take a candle, light it and keep it on a table, and take a straight pipe and see through that. You can see the flame of the light. And when you take a bent pipe and if you watch it through the bent pipe, the flame of the light cannot be seen. Why? Because that shows the light travels along the straight line. So that is the first property of a light. Then reflection of a light. What is reflection? Whenever light falls on a shiny surface, it reflects. So the image of a light is formed. Or you can see it with the help of activity, reflection of candle in a mirror. If you place a candle in front of a mirror, you can see the image of the candle. Exactly same candle as if a candle is kept inside the mirror, you can say. So that is called the reflection of light. So you can see the reflection of trees, birds, animals in the water. If you see you can see yourself also in the water, surface of water, because it is shiny. And if you take a stainless steel, the surface of the steel acts as a mirror because it is shiny. So there also you can see the reflection of light. So whenever it falls on a shiny surface, it travels back, or the image is formed. That is called reflection of light. Now, right or left. Now, whenever we look into the mirror, if you raise your right hand, it looks as if your left hand is raised in the mirror. Why it is so? Because you can see the image is formed in the mirror. So what we are standing in front of the mirror means we are the object, and the thing which can see in the mirror is called as the image. So there we can see right or left. If we raise the right hand here, really, but you can see the left hand is raised in the mirror. I can give you an example of ambulance. Ambulance, on the van of the ambulance, it is written in the reverse order. It is written as ambulance. The alphabets are written in the reverse order. Why? Because if you see it in the mirror, it is shown correctly. So whoever is traveling in front of the ambulance, so they must leave the space for the ambulance. That's why it is reverse written in the ambulance van. So that's why these are the properties of light you can see.